Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to play Game Boy games on a PC using the mGBA emulator, and the steps are very easy to follow. For those who may not know, mGBA is an emulator that allows us to play classic Game Boy console games directly on a PC. Even better, it supports almost the entire Game Boy family, including the original Game Boy Color, and Game Boy Advance. With this emulator, we can enjoy many classic Game Boy games again right from our PC, without needing the original console. But before we start, make sure your PC meets minimum system requirements. To run mGBA smoothly, you only need a dual-core processor with a speed of 2.0 GHz or higher. In terms of memory, the emulator requires at least 2 GB of RAM. For graphics, make sure your system supports DirectX 11 on Windows, or OpenGL 3.3 and above for Linux and macOS. Lastly, mGBA only takes up around 50 megabytes of storage space, making it very lightweight and not demanding on your device. For more detailed information, you can check the table shown on the screen. If your PC meets the minimum system requirements, let's move on to the tutorial steps. The first step is to download the emulator. Open your web browser and search for the mGBA emulator. Then click the top result that leads to the official website at mgba.io. Once you're on the main page, click the download menu. There you will find several version options. Choose Windows 64-bit Portable. After that, wait for the download to finish before moving on to the next step. After the download process is complete, extract the file, then open the extracted folder. After that, find the file named mgba.exe and double-click it to open the application. This is the initial screen of the mGBA emulator when you first open it. Next, we will configure the mGBA. Click the Tools menu, then select Settings. In the Audio/Video tab, set the display driver to OpenGL and enable Force Integer Scaling. For bilinear filtering, you can enable it if you want smoother visual effects, or disable it if you prefer to keep the original pixel look. Next, open the Enhancement section. Under Video Renderer, select OpenGL. For the high-resolution option, if your PC has good enough specifications, you can increase the resolution scale as you like. Keep in mind that the higher the resolution you choose, the more system resources your PC will need. Next, go to the Path section. In most cases, you do not need to change anything here because the emulator already sets these paths automatically. However, if you want to manually choose where your data will be saved, such as save files, uncheck the option. Same directory as the ROM, then click Browse. From there, you can choose any folder you want. You can also create a new folder. Give it any name you like, and then click Select Folder to confirm. Next, open the keyboard section. This is where you can configure your keyboard controls. If you want to change a button manually, simply click the button you want to modify. Then press the key on your keyboard that you want to assign. Next is the controller option. Unlike the keyboard settings, this menu is specifically for users who are using an external controller, such as one from Xbox or PlayStation. After connecting your controller to your PC, make sure to click the refresh button. Then, check the drop-down menu to confirm that your device has been detected by the emulator. To remap the controls manually, the process is the same. Simply click the button you want to change, then press the corresponding button on your controller. Next is the shortcuts section. This is where you can set keyboard shortcuts for various emulator functions. You can leave them at their default settings or customize them manually. To change a shortcut, first select the function you want to modify. Then move your cursor to the box in the bottom right corner and press the key on your keyboard that you want to assign. And finally, we have the shaders section. Here, you can apply additional visual effects to make the game look more appealing. The mGBA already provides several built-in shader options. To use them, click the Load Shader button, then navigate to your mGBA installation folder. And open the shaders directory. Choose one of the shader folders you want to try. Then click Select Folder. If it works, you will see the shader listed under Active Shader, which means the effect has been applied. If you don't like using shaders, you can easily remove them. To do this, simply click the Unload Shader button. After removing it, the Active Shader section will display No Shader Loaded. Once you're done, click Apply to save all the changes. Before we start running a game, there is one important thing you should know. As mentioned earlier, the mGBA supports several game file formats, such as .gb for the Game Boy, .gbc for the Game Boy Color, and .gba for the Game Boy Advance. So make sure your game file is in one of these formats. Now, let's run the game. Click the File menu, then select Load ROM. After that, navigate to the folder where your game file is stored. Select the file you want to play, and click Open. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial video.